Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa Veg. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. We'll walk through a super easy recipe that transforms these nutritious leaves into a delightful side dish in just a few simple steps. Get ready to enjoy a healthy and flavorful meal that's both quick and satisfying for everyone. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh moringa leaves, carefully washed and destemmed. For aromatics, prepare 1 small onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of garlic minced. If you like a little heat, 1 green chili, slit lengthwise, works perfectly. Finally, have a tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, a pinch of turmeric powder, and salt to taste ready. Now let's get cooking. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat for about 1 minute. Once warm, add your chopped onion, minced garlic, and green chili. Sauté these aromatics for approximately 2 minutes until they become fragrant and the onion softens. Next, add the fresh moringa leaves, a pinch of turmeric powder, and salt to your liking. Stir well and cook for about 5 minutes until the leaves are tender. And just like that, your flavorful and nutritious moringa vegetable dish is ready. Transfer it to a serving bowl. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with steamed rice, warm roti, or even as a healthy side alongside your favorite main course. It's a fantastic way to incorporate more greens into your diet. Enjoy this simple, wholesome meal that's packed with goodness and easy to prepare any day of the week.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.